Hello again, YouTube. We're back here with Project Honda. On this video, it's going to be a real quick video. And over here on the front brake, when you pull the handle, it's supposed to activate the rear taillight. Well, unfortunately, one of the tabs, there's supposed to be another one right there. One of them's broke off. I need to attach these two wires somehow, so I have ordered a new switch. In this video, I will be changing out that switch and showing how simple it is. Stay tuned. And we're back. Now changing out this switch for the new switch that just came in the mail. All you gotta do is right here on the other side of the throttle, there's a little Phillips head screw. All you gotta do is take that out, put in the new one, hook back up the wires. And now I will take that out. There's the old switch. And now there's the new one. Now, make sure that screw is good and tight when you put it in. Make sure it actually operates. And now, it is just as simple as hooking the wires back up. And just like that, we are done. Now it's time for a function test. Okay, we're back. Up there is the switch that we just installed. Now, all we have to do is give it a quick test to make sure it works. Be right back. I'm gonna make sure the battery's hooked up and everything's good to go, and we'll give her a shot. So here goes nothing. That's the tail light. That's the brake light. Just as simple as that. I now have brakes. Stay tuned. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can stay updated on all the other projects I have coming. Because in the next couple projects, we're going to be taking that dent out. If I can get it to focus. Yeah, there we go. We're going to be taking that dent out, going to be lining the tank, and then eventually we'll be painting that.